Liam found himself deep in the forest. The sun began to set, and he knew he needed to prepare. His first task was to build a shelter. He gathered branches and leaves, working quickly to construct a sturdy A-frame, a small haven against the coming night. Inside, he felt a sense of security. Thirsty from his efforts, Liam sought out a water source. He followed the sound of rushing water until he found a clear, flowing stream. He carefully collected water, knowing its importance for his survival. As darkness fell, Liam started a fire. The flames danced, casting warm light and chasing away the chill. He felt a primal comfort watching the sparks rise into the night sky. The fire also offered a way to cook and signal if needed. The next morning, hunger set in. Liam cautiously searched for food. He spotted a bush laden with dark berries. Remembering his training on identifying edible plants, he gathered a small handful, grateful for nature's provisions.
With his basic needs met, Liam focused on navigation. He pulled out his compass and map, orienting himself with the sun's position. He studied the landmarks, determined to find his way back to the trail. Throughout his journey, Liam kept his safety in mind. His first aid kit was always within reach, and his whistle hung around his neck. He stayed alert, aware of his surroundings, knowing that preparation saves lives. He moved forward, confident in his skills, ready for whatever the wilderness might bring.